welcome back to the channel. My name is Rochelle from Rochelle.Handmade.Designs, and in this video I am doing an unboxing for two of my machines that I just got for one, my anniversary, and two for Christmas, and a just because gift that my husband wanted me to have. So I am really thankful for my husband to basically purchase these two machines from Brothers for me. So in this video, I will be unboxing the cover stitch machine, which is Brothers CV3440, as well as my embroidery machine, which is I'm probably saying this wrong, but Innovis, I think is how you pronounce it. And it's NQ3600D as in David. Now, before we get started, go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button. And also turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Now, I do want to mention that both of these videos were recorded during the holidays. So the unboxing for the embroidery machine was recorded on my anniversary, December the 20th. The cover stitch machine was recorded on Christmas Day. Now, it is not Christmas Day today, okay? This is the day after Christmas, and I am recording this video. So happy, I'm saying happy, but Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and we're gonna get right on into this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into this video.
Hey, come here.
What? What's this?
I don't know, you're just gonna have to open it.
Like, y'all put covers on this thing? This is some hellified wrapping going on right here. Oh my gosh, a Brothers sewing and embroidery machine. So you couldn't wrap up the box, right? So
not without you seeing it.
Alright, open this thing. God dang, it's a big box. Well, thank you. Appreciate you. I'm gonna try to remember how to put this thing back.
You need Miss Thane to come over and help you?
Huh?
You need Miss Thane to come help you?
Oh my goodness.
How about you put it on the table? You know.
Well,
I'd hate to have you drop something. Man.
Open it. It's hard to open.
I see that.
Ooh.
It's first world problems right here. You're supposed to pull that tab right there with your finger out back.
I know that, honey.
There you go. You know, rip the box open. Ain't no taking it back now. You want to go help mommy?
Yeah, now move the box for me, honey. There you go. Watch all the paper pieces that you have on the table.
All right, Lily.
This is what I meant. Out of the way, Lily. Because now all the paper pieces are on the floor somewhere. Ooh. Hi. Alright. I got some threads. Yay! big machine part, right? Ooh, a lot of pieces. The way they have this package is pretty good.
I hope so.
Right? Ah!
Got it? That's a big one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Mickey and Minnie. Yes. Woo! Alright.
It's got that imaginary music going right there.
I think that's it, huh?
I said you got that imaginary music going right there.
Yeah.
But wait, there's more.
Alright. Oh, there's more.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So.
I mean, I could have wrapped that, but. Eh.
Oh, another big box. Alright, I'm going to put it on this table because my sewing room is already dirty. So what did I do with the scissors? Right here. So now I gotta open up this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. Alright, so what's in here? Embroidery thread kit. Whoa. Alright, it's a lot of stuff in here. Universal cap and hat hook. What is this?
That's hoop, babe.
Oh, hoop. I'm sorry. Universal cap and hat hoop. Is this to do hats or something? Oh. Alright. That. And then Polystar. A lot of white bobbin threads. Okay. To go with the machine. I'm going to guess. Alright. And then I have some stabilizer, stability stabilizer, tear and wash. Tear and wash is great for its uniqueness in that after you wash your item, the stabilizer totally washes away. It's good for, it's like magic, the perfect tear away stabilizer that washes away in the wash, leaving a clean result. The stabilizer is perfect for applique, buttonholes, decorative stitching, computerized embroidery, quilting, edge work, monogramming, satin stitching, and more. All right, tear and wash. And then, I know I'm junking up my table. USB enclosed in this case. Designs by Sick.com. Embroidery designs online since 2002. A disc, and it says 53,215 embroidery designs. USB PES version. Okay. I already have some design. And then the universal sock hoop to do socks. I'm gonna be making a whole bunch of stuff, I guess. All right, and there's this. Scissors. Ooh. Okay. Okay. And ooh. I'm gonna have to hold this box up like this because woo, more thread. Like, I literally was just saying that I needed another one of these, so I have another one of these thread containers that I'm gonna put over here on this side, and then I can put all my threads on that side of my sewing room. So thank you, babe, for this nice, lovely Christmas gift.
That ain't the only thing it was for.
Well, my thank you, Christmas, everything. Appreciate you.
That's the only thing that happens in December.
Well, anniversary too. Our anniversary, December 20th.
I'm the dude. I didn't forget.
Whatever. But thank you for anniversary, Christmas, and a just because gifts, because I know I get lots of just because gifts too. But I'm pretty sure this was more anniversary and Christmas, and I appreciate you, gift. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. So thank you so much for being with me, unboxing my anniversary and Christmas gift. And I want to say thank you so much for this Brothers Innovis NQ3600D series sewing and embroidering machine. If you don't have one, go and head over to the Brothers website so you are able to get you one during this holiday seasons, where you will see all coupons and everything. So thank you. All right, listen everyone. So I am doing an unboxing of a cover stitch that my husband bought me for basically Christmas, because he did get my, well, I didn't know anything about it, but he did give me an embroidery machine for both. It was my Christmas gift and my anniversary gifts, but this is pretty much both as well. So I am doing an unbox, and I'm doing this unbox the same day as Christmas because that's why I'm still in my pajamas, okay? So this is the Brothers CV3440 cover stitch machine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it for you. So we have the instructions. We'll definitely need that. Looks like I have a case, the foot paddle, of course, and then it looks like some stuff, you know, to hold it on so it doesn't slide. Let's take this tray out. And then we have the cover stitch. Now I'm gonna put it right here, right next to the Brothers embroidery machine. So let me turn it around so you can see it. And this is what it looks like. So once I read all the instructions and everything, then I could tell you what I have learned, what I have done with it. But I have used the Brother machine, which is this one right here. I did test this out with some basic stitch, and I also sewed one garment so far on this machine. So I'll give you more details about it when I use it a little bit more. But this is the Brothers embroidery machine. And then this is the Brother cover stitch machine. This is the CV3440. All right, so there you have it. I just finished unboxing both my sewing machine, my embroidery machine, and my cover stitch machine. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. So I'll catch you in the next video, and as always, keep sewing.